Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. There's a few ways to approach things when you're hosting a dinner. It can be casual, semi-casual, semi-formal, or formal. For the first three, I don't think I need to explain much. But when you're having a formal dinner, there's an important part to serve, and it is a palate cleanser. Here's a great recipe you can use. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Kiwi Vodka Sorbet. It is a very light recipe to serve during your dinner. Plus, it is pretty quick and easy to make. Unless you add a little vodka when it's time to serve it, the taste is not really obvious. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a saucepan over medium-high heat, we'll combine sugar and water. We'll stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. Then we'll bring the mixture to a simmer and cook for 2 minutes. Now, this is how we make simple syrup. So do me a favor and don't buy it. This is the reason why it is called simple. Now we'll remove from the heat to let it cool completely. But before we move on to the kiwis though, we'll add a vodka, lime juice, and a small pinch of ground sea salt. We'll give a quick stir to combine and let it cool. Alright, so this is our kiwi fruits that are prepped and ready to go. We'll transfer them to a jar or a blender and we'll process until fairly liquefied. To this, we'll add the simple syrup mixture and process once again for about 30 to 45 seconds. Just enough to blend the ingredients. Next, we'll pour the kiwi mixture into a large measuring cup, which will make it much easier to pour into the freezer bowl when it's time to churn. We'll cover with plastic wrap and transfer to the fridge to chill for about 3 hours. A few hours later, we'll pour a cold mixture into the ice cream machine bowl and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions. Mine took about 12 minutes. We'll scoop the sorbet into an ice cream container and transfer to the freezer to firm up, about 4 to 6 hours. When it's time to serve, we'll scoop the sorbet into bowls and place a slice of kiwi. Now, if you use this as a palate cleanser, reduce the amount and place in sugar glasses or in tiny bowls. And my friends, this is our Kiwi Vodka Sorbet. Refreshing and light, not only can you serve it as a palate cleanser for one of your formal dinners, but also as a cold treat. It is another great recipe to add to your folder. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!